Feeling sluggish, bloated, or just not your best? It might be time for a natural reset. In today's video, I'm sharing the top 7 herbs to detox your body and help you feel refreshed from the inside out. Let's get your health back on track with a simple, effective herbal detox. In today's busy world, we're constantly exposed to toxins, whether it's through the food we eat, the air we breathe, or the products we use. But don't worry, nature has a solution. Using body detox herbs can help cleanse your body naturally, eliminate toxins, and leave you feeling more energized and healthy. Let's discover which herbs are the most powerful for this detox. Top 7 herbs for a natural body detox. 1. Milk thistle. This herb is famous for its ability to detoxify the liver. It contains silymarin, which helps repair liver cells and flush out toxins. Milk thistle is a must-have for anyone looking to start a liver cleanse. 2. Dandelion root. Next, we have dandelion root. This common plant is a powerful herbal detox tool, especially for the liver and kidneys. It's a natural diuretic that helps flush out excess toxins and supports digestion. 3. Turmeric. You've probably heard about turmeric, but did you know it's one of the best herbs for detoxifying the body? The active compound curcumin helps your liver process and eliminate toxins, making it essential for a full-body cleanse. 4. Burdock root. Burdock root is a potent body detox herb known for its ability to purify the blood and support kidney function. It also promotes healthy skin by helping your body eliminate waste more efficiently. 5. Ginger. Ginger isn't just great for digestion, it's a fantastic detox herb too. Ginger boosts circulation and encourages sweating, which helps your body eliminate toxins. It's a perfect herb to add to your daily detox routine. 6. Cilantro. Cilantro is a superstar when it comes to detoxifying heavy metals from the body. It binds to toxins and helps remove them through natural excretion pathways. Add it to your smoothies or salads for a powerful detox boost. 7. Peppermint. Last but not least is peppermint. This refreshing herb is excellent for supporting digestion and easing bloating, which can help cleanse your system naturally. Plus, peppermint tea is delicious and soothing. Quick tips for using detox herbs. Want to know how to incorporate these herbal detox remedies into your diet? Here are a few easy ways. Start your day with a cup of ginger tea for a detoxifying boost. Add cilantro to your salads, smoothies, or stir-fries. Try a daily milk thistle supplement or dandelion root tea to support liver health. Detoxing doesn't have to be complicated. With these 7 herbs, you can cleanse your body naturally and feel your best. Which herb are you most excited to try? Comment below and let me know. Subscribe, like, and share for more such informative videos.